Hello, I OP Srivastav. Going to discuss numerical in AC circuit. How numerical of AC circuit can be solved. I will take certain numericals and will solve it and will explain it also. मैं इस वीडियो में एसी सर्किट से संबंधित न्यूमेरिकल दिखाऊंगा और उसको सॉल्व करके बताऊंगा. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन में मैंने पहले ही ये डिफरेंट सर्किट के न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व कर रखे हैं, लेकिन हम अभी जो सॉल्व करेंगे वो स्टेप बाय. लेट अस टेक फर्स्ट आर सर्किट. ये आर सर्किट के न्यूमेरिकल में सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. आर सर्किट में क्या है, आपको क्या दिया हुआ वो पहले देखें आप. ये मैं बाहर हटा देता हूँ. आर सर्किट न्यूमेरिकल है. क्या दिया है हमने. रेजिस्टेंस आर इज 130 ओम. 130 ओम दैट कैन बी चेंज्ड. आप इसको बदल सकते हैं. मैं इसको चाहिए तो आप 100 ओम कर देते हैं. 100 ओम. 100 ओम connected in series in AC source V is equal to V0 sin 130 pi t sin omega d. Omega is, say, frequency is 100, frequency is 65 hertz. So omega is obviously 2 pi f के हिसाब से 130 pi हुआ. तो V is equal to 100 sin 130 pi t is applied across it. ये दिया हुआ है, ये रेजिस्टेंस है और इसके क्रॉस एसी मेंस V is equal to V0 sin ओमेगा t हमने अप्लाई कर रखा है, जो कि दिया जाता है फॉर्मूला V is equal to V0 sin 130 pi t. सो इसमें क्या निकालना है, रिएक्टेंस क्या होगा, आरएमएस वैल्यू क्या होगा, पावर फैक्टर क्या होगा, एवरीथिंग. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. क्या किया हमने सोल्यूशन में. इन सोल्यूशन यू कैन सी इट कि given values omega is 2 pi f. 2 pi f is 65 hertz. Here it is 65 hertz. Okay. If you want, you can change it also. Let us make it is 50 hertz. As in India, 50 hertz supply is available. So omega is 100 pi. V0, V peak value means V peak is 200 volt. Source voltage V is equal to V0 sin omega t means 200 sin 100 pi t. So obviously Vrms is equal to V0 upon root 2, V, that is 200 upon root 2, that gives you 141.42 volt. Now reactive resistance, XR is only resistance, so reactance resistivity will be XR is equal to R equal to 100 ohm. IRMS is equal to VRMS upon R, 141.42 upon 100, that is 1.41 ohm. And IRMS is equal to V0 upon 100 R, so that is 200 upon 100, that gives you only 2 ampere. बट आई हैव नॉट मेंशन. आई एम इसको एडिट कर देता हूँ मैं. मैंने लिखा है I0 is equal to V0 upon R, that gives you here V0 divided by R, that is that that much ohm in fact. Okay, so that is equal to I0 is equal to 2 ohm. Now I is equal to I0 sin omega t gives you 200 upon 100 sin 100 pi t, that is 2 sin 100 pi t. So obviously phase difference between voltage and current. Current is I is equal to 2 sin 100 pi t and V is equal to 200 sin 100 pi t. There is no phase difference, means phase difference is 0. So power factor is cos in cos of the angle phase difference, that is cos 0. So power factor is 1. Power is Vrms into Irms into cosine delta phi. That gives you 200 volt. That's simple problem. Now L circuit. Let us solve L circuit. Here a coil of inductance 29.5 Henry. Here F is given Henry. Inductance you want, you can change it. You can make it is say 30. ये अब मैं इसको 30 ओम कर 30 हेनरी कर देता हूँ मैं. So inductance is 30 Henry, is connected to AC source. V is equal to 200 sin 100 pi t. Applied across it. हमें वही क्या निकालना है? Reactance, IR, mass, power factor, everything. The given values of R, omega is equal to 100 pi. That gives you 314.16. V0 is equal to 200 volt. Source voltage is equal to 200 sin 100 pi t. Obviously, Vrms is equal to V0 by root 2, that is 200 upon root 2, that gives you 141.42 volt. Now, inductive reactance, as we know, that XL is equal to L omega. Cell is 30, omega is equal to 100 pi, that gives you 924, sorry, 9424.78 omega. So Vrms, Irms is equal to Vrms upon XL, that gives you zero point 0.02 ohm. Now I0 is equal to Irms into root 2, that is 0.02. I is equal to I0 sin omega 2 plus pi by 2. ये होता है current in inductive coils. So if you see the phase difference between voltage and current, that is pi by 2, so power factor is 0. So obviously power is Vrms into Irms into power factor, that gives you 0 watt. That is L circuit. Now let us do C circuit. Let a capacitance is 1.8 Faraday. Make it is 2 Faraday. चलिए मैं इसको 2 Faraday कर देता हूँ. Capacitance 2 Faraday is connected to AC mains. V is equal to 200 sin 100 pi t is applied. Same thing, reactance निकालिए, IRMS निकालिए, power factor निकालिए. Omega is here 2 pi f, that is 100 pi. V0 is equal to 200 volt. Source voltage is equal to 200 sin 100 pi t. Vrms is equal to V0 upon root 2, that is 141.42 voltage. Capacitive reactance, as we know, that is 1 upon C omega. C is 2 into 10 power the minus 6 Faraday. That minus 6 goes to up, that is 10 power 6 upon 2 into 100 pi. That gives you 1591.54 ohm. IRMS is equal to Vrms upon XC, that gives you 0.09 ampere. I is equal to I0 sin omega t minus pi by 2. So this is the equation of current, that is 0.09 sin 100 pi t minus pi by 2. Now it is clear. Phase difference between voltage and current is pi by 2. So phase difference delta phi is pi by 2. So power factor is 0. Obviously power will be 0. Now LR circuit. Resistance is 100 ohm. Inductance is 30 Henry. Connected to AC mains, V is equal to 200 sin 100 pi t. Now calculation is as below. Given value of omega is equal to 100 pi, V0 is equal to 200 volt. Source voltage is equal to V is equal to 200 sin 100 pi t. So Vrms is equal to V0 by root 2 and so on. Now inductive reactance, as you know, that is L omega 9424.78 ohm. Impedance is Z is equal to R square plus XL square. R is 100 ohm, so 100 square plus 9424.78 square. After solving, we get 9425.31 ohm. So IRMS is equal to VRMS upon Z, that gives you 0.02 ampere. Now phase difference between voltage and current is tan phi, that is XL upon R. So XL 9424.78 upon 100, that after solving that gives you 89.39 degree. So I0 is equal to V0 upon Z. After solving we get I is equal to 0.02 sine 100 pi t plus phi. Now power factor is equal to cosine phi. Phi is already known, 89.39. So cosine 89.39 gives you 1.09. On that basis, if we calculate RMS and VRMS, we get this value. Now what? In last let us take LCR circuit. LCR circuit resistance R is this much, 100 ohm. L is 30 Nd. Capacitance is 2 microfarad. AC mains is equal to V is equal to V is equal to 200 sine 100 pi t. Again we have to find RMS value, power factor and everything. Omega is already discussed, 100 pi. V0 is equal to 200 volt. Source voltage is known. VRMS is 200 upon root 2, that is 200 is peak voltage. Now XL is equal to L omega, that gives you L into 2 pi f. After solving we get 9424.78. Capacitive reactance X is equal to 1 upon C omega, 1 upon C into 2 pi f. So 10 power to 6 go up, and after solving you will get 1591.54 ohm. And capacitance impedance will be given as under root R square plus XL minus XC whole square. R is equal to 100, XL is this much, or XC is this much. After solving we get 7833.87 ohm as a impedance. So obviously IRMS is equal to VRMS upon Z, that gives you 0.02, or I is equal to I0 sin omega 2 plus 5 V0 sin omega 2 5 omega 2 plus 5. So that is 200 upon 7833.87 sin 100 pi t plus 5. That gives you 0.03 sin 100 pi t plus 5. So phase difference pi is equal to tan inverse XL minus XC upon R. And after solving it we get 89.27 degree as a phase difference. Power factor 0.01 and power as 0.03. This is the numerical part. If you want to know how this article has been derived, then you have to consult my previous videos. You go through my videos. My videos are all are stored in Om Prakash educational video, and my mail address is Om Gurukul 2020. Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Oof, oof.